Want to have your own death counter on your stream? With Touch Portal you can. Let's create it. We'll create a button that increments your death count, and 2 buttons to correct the count if needed. To keep track of the death count, we need to use a value. We've named it death count. When you press this button, it will increment the count by 1 and update the text in both Touch Portal and OBS. We start by adding the increment value action and let it increment our value by 1. We then open the On Event section, add the When Value Changes event and let it listen for every change where the value does not become -1. Effectively, this will always trigger when we change the value. We first update the text of the button to show the correct value. Then we add the OBS Set Source Text action and point it to our source called Death Counter in our OBS scene. We save the button and let's test our counter. When we press it, we see the count increment on both the button and the OBS source. Next, we'll create a button to correct the counter in case we press the main button by mistake. We again add the increment value action, but set it to increment by -1. When we press this button, the counter is decremented by 1, and thanks to the event we set up earlier, the change is applied in both Touch Portal and OBS. Our last button is the counter reset button. For this, we use the set value action to reset our counter to 0. Let's see it in action. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot and it allows us to create more useful videos for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.